How we multiply 53 times 11? First, we write 5 space 3. Then we add 5 with 3 is 8. The result is 583. How we multiply? First, we write 7 space 2. Then we add. The result is 792. How we multiply 44 times 11? First, we write 4 space 4. Then we add. The result is 484. How we multiply 32 times 11? First, we write 3 space 2. Then we add. The result is 352. How we multiply 74 times 11? First, we write 7 space 4. Then we add. 7 plus 4, 11. Type. How we write 11? Write 1, carry up 1 here. 1 with 7, 8. And we have 1, 4. The result is 814. How we multiply 93 times 11? First, we write 9 space 3. Then we add 9 with 3, 12. How we write it 12? Write 2 here, carry up 1. Then we have 1 with 9, 10, 2, 3. The result is 1023. How we multiply 82 times 11? First, we write 8 space 8 space 2. Then we add. We have 10. How we write it 10? Write 0, carry up 1. 1 with 8, 9, 0, 2. The answer is 902. How we multiply 65 times 11? How we multiply 65 times 11? First, we write 6 space 5. Then we add. 6 with 5, 11. Write 1 here. Carry up 1. 1 with 6, 7. 1, 5. The result, 715.